And today's book is a wonderful little creative cardboard project. It's how to make a mini marshmallow crossbow. You can use marshmallows or wads of paper or something like that. I give you everything you need to make this project.
Really simple to use. A rubber band, you put a mini marshmallow in it, and you fire away. And it's pretty strong, depending on the rubber band you use or the rubber bands you use. So let's go ahead. You can have this built in an hour. Let me show you. And I have the template for it. So you don't even have to figure out how to make it, the different parts. You can download those on my website. I will put a link to that, to where you can get that template on my website for totally free in the description of this video. So grab that template, print up the 2 pages, and then cut out the parts. See, there you go. There are 4 parts. The handle, the rail, the crossbow arm, I guess would you call it, the arm? And this part I call the finger platform. To make 5 of these out of cardboard, 5 of these out of cardboard, 1 of these out of cardboard, and 2 of these out of cardboard. So use these templates to trace onto cardboard like this. And I wanted to show you something. If you want it to be super strong, the strongest you can make it with the cardboard is you want to alternate the corrugations on these parts. Like for instance, in this video you're watching now, the corrugations go in the cardboard go from left to right, right across the screen. So we're going to make 3 of them that way, with the corrugations going parallel to the, parallel to the barrel of the crossbow, I guess you could call it. And we're going to do 2 with the corrugations going the opposite way. I'll show you what I mean, if that's confusing. Right, and we're going to do 2 this way. See, the corrugations go like that. So 3 that way and 2 this way. So go ahead and do that. And do the same thing with the actual crossbow part, the bow part. There you go. See how I got 3 of the, it looks like a, the handle is going left to right, and then over there, 2 with the handle going up and down. So that's what I mean. You don't have to do that, but it will make your crossbow stronger, your mini crossbow stronger. And I don't show it here. I don't think I show it here, but do the same thing with the crossbow arm, the bow arm. Do 3 in one direction and 2 perpendicular to that, so the corrugations run the opposite way. That will make the strongest bond. So go ahead and cut everything out. I use my favorite X-Acto knife there with the ergonomic grip. I love that X-Acto knife. And I have a self-healing cutting mat. That's what that green mat is. You should get yourself one. If you do a lot of cutting, arts and crafts stuff, I love that mat. And then let's glue it all together. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now if you look at the top or the side of that, you can see the corrugations alternate. Do the same thing with the bow. 1, 2. I get a lot of I've got, I guess, about a dozen videos now, right now, something like that, on this YouTube channel of all cardboard projects. I've got more projects coming, and I am currently almost completed writing a book of cardboard projects. So watch for that. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to make cardboard projects, or if you want to learn more about it. The wonderful thing about it is, geez, everybody has cardboard. You get boxes all the time. Don't throw them out. Save those boxes. Let's make some projects out of them. And I'm pretty sure about 10 more projects done. I need to do the videos and whatnot, and the website tutorials and whatnot. So now we did the bow. Let's glue it onto the handle. Fun little project, and I like using mini marshmallows just because it's pretty safe, right? This way the kids can, fire the crossbow and have fun with it, and it's, they're only shooting marshmallows. And which ways can you improve this project? I thought of something after it was all done. I said, gee, some kind of a little pocket or a container on it to hold your spare marshmallows would be cool. Underneath on the handle or something. Along the side, somewhere to store your marshmallows. So if you're making this project, do that. Add some kind of a little storage compartment for marshmallows. And there you go. That is the finger plate. Put that on there at the very end. And it's actually important. You'll see why. And next we put the side rails on the crossbow. And these are important too. They stick up a little bit. They're not the same height as the handle. They stick up the thickness of the plate. The finger plate, make them as high as that goes to the top of the finger plate. Because you want them to hold a marshmallow as they fly. So I marked it so I could glue it. It's like roughly maybe 1/8 or 3/16 of an inch taller than the top surface of the handle. One thickness of cardboard. And it forms a little channel that the marshmallow will ride in and fire straight. You want it to be flush right there on the left with the top of the cardboard finger plate. So flip it around and do the other side, and all we got left is the rubber band. Same thing. Oh, and that actually, I don't know if you're going to see it in this video, but I have that self-healing cutting mat is on top of a cardboard desk that I made. So I use that cardboard desk to do my cardboard projects. That is a video. You might want to check that one out. It's a fun little desk. It's just 5 boxes. There we go. The only thing left is a rubber band. Now, I have these longish rubber bands. If you don't have them like that, you have shorter ones, that's okay. Knot them together. Knot together as many as you need to make your crossbow. And you can always adjust them. Cut them, shorten them, lengthen them, until you get the right amount of power you want on your crossbow. But an important thing here is it is knotted at the top back, like that. And what I mean is, see where the knot is? The back of the bow and at the top, right there. And that will mean it won't shift around when you're pulling it. That's the optimal location, and do the same there. Knot it at the top back. Then when you're drawing it back, it wants to stay where it is. It doesn't want to like shift around or anything. It's a minor detail, but something to consider. Throw a little glue on it so the rubber band doesn't unknot itself. And you're done. Now, let me show you how to use it one more time. You put a marshmallow in the rail. You pull back to the finger spot, and then you release. It's simple as that, the finger plate, and that's it. Good power on this little crossbow. I like it. Fun project. If you make it, send me a picture. I'll put it on my website. And leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button. Thank you.